Hey guys, welcome back. It's Killer X27, and so basically here I'm just gonna do like a dual video. Adorable.
3 years old.
Aww.
So tiny.
Yep.
It's cute.
Hi.
Look how tall.
Hey.
So is it full grown?
Full grown.
Aww.
Not an Alaskan Cleek. It's an Alaskan Cleek eye, not a Husky.
Cutie.
So cute.
Alaskan Cleek Log. Let's look it up.
Alaskan what? Cleek eye. K-L-E-E.
K-A-I.
K-A-I.
Hey.
Say hi.
That Alaskan Cleek thing, I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but that's a good breed, and it was sick. Adorable. That dog is just pure adorable. The Psycho Cupcake's here again. What's up, Psycho? He's staying quiet. Anyway, don't forget to check out Psycho Cupcake. He's my bro. We usually try and make these vids together and all that fun stuff.
Oh, you took it off? Okay.
Look at that. I think that's Chrome. I'm not exactly sure. It's Corvette. Not tell me this is not lit as a motherfucker.
I get there 7:30. So that means by the time you get there, my car will be up on the lift.
Yeah.
I take care of her.
I'm not. I'm just recording the year.
Mira, esta camioneta está cuidadita, mira.
And now my bro with Quagmire's voice. Giggity giggity. All right. Unpause the video, then here's that. Powered by Hennessy.
Why do you move your bra?
It's a Camaro.
You just move down here, burn it on right now. Like this to the back. This is
Or
instead of having to burn here, now it's going to burn here.
Yo guys, Ferrari, it's for sale. What? It's a 1992. Okay, if you guys want an old Ferrari, well, there you go.
I like my hair color.
Cobra. It's tire kit.
Good stuff. No, I got to train solid.
Giggity giggity, alright.
Diggity diggity, alright?
Uh-oh, it's 202.
Giggity giggity, alright.
Diggity diggity, alright.
That's 100
Giggity giggity, alright.
No,
Now the other one. Now what do you say? Ready? Camp freeze. Ready guys? I'm gonna do a camp freeze. You ready?
Guys.
Oh hey!
Dog on the hunt.
The peeing dog, guys. This guy brings back good memories with his old Dodge. Because he still does it today, but basically what he always does is he'd run by the car and he has this like pit bull over there and just like squirts out water. It's pretty funny. We usually just try jumping over it or running through it. Hey Peter, why don't you show me the south side? Giggity giggity, alright. What am I doing with my life? Playing as Quagmire.
Yesterday night, what is your problem? She goes, I'm sorry. I'm like, what did you think? I'm gonna stay up all night and cards. Oh, I'm supposed to go tanning.
And one of the other ones we usually say as Quagmire. Hey Peter, show me your side. Show me your side. Show me your side, Peter. God knows what side he's talking about.
No. Consuelo, no. Got $20 bills for him, guys.
I'm not sure if you guys want to pick that, but just let you know it's $20 bill. Oh God, earring. We're headphone users. Just saying. I've heard louder sadly. Part of car life. Hey Peter, why don't you show me this outside?
Got $20 bill between my thighs.
And now my brother with, I guess, Goofy, I think it is, when Goofy murders someone. He says he doesn't want to do it. I think he's like camera shy or something.
I already did it.
He's like, I already did it. He's camera shy. You fans tell him in the comment section below, there's nothing to worry about.
I'm camera shy while you chase me around at the dealership.
Yeah, and you were running. You acknowledge that. Bro, it's camera shy. Wait. It's gonna give you instant savage. Kill yourself. Now do it. Now do the voice. Giggity, I'm gay. Giggity, I'm gay. You didn't get it, cat me pride.
Oh no, don't eat on popsicle sticks without me. Oh no, don't eat on popsicle sticks without me. Got $20 bills for my thigh drinks.
Anyways, this is how we're gonna wrap up the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out his channel.
He's not gonna show, obviously.
No, he's not going to.
Channel.
Alright.
first time I said which one I was.
I don't. Everyone, just pause the video and just give it a slap to the face right now. I'm giving you time. All right, I know. So this is how we're gonna end the video. You ready?
Sabertoothwolfgaming.
Alright, so we're gonna end the video.
Giggity giggity. All right.